Hello viewers, currently I have been using iPhone 17 on iOS 26.1. After updating to the latest version of iOS 26, I was having very bad battery backup and the battery was draining very fast. But right now I am very satisfied with the battery life. I am getting excellent battery life. You can expect an SOT of 9 hours plus on a single charge. So the battery life has improved a lot and I have done some tweaks that help to get very good battery backup out of my iPhone 17. The battery life on iPhone 17 almost lasts 1.5 days. That is incredible for me. If you also follow some simple steps, you can also get very good battery life on your iPhone, whether you are using iPhone 14, 15, 16 or even 17. The first thing that I did is to disable the background app refresh for some apps which I don't use. So if you want to do that, you can enter into settings, then background app refresh, and here you can see that I have disabled all the apps except WhatsApp. The second step that you can do, enter into notification and turn off notification for all those apps which you don't want notifications from. This will also increase the battery life significantly. Also, you will not receive any unwanted SMS or unwanted notifications from those apps which you don't want notifications from. The third process is that enter into location services. Here you will get privacy and security, and after that scroll down and services location. As you can see here, I have already turned off these toggles to get a great battery life. You will also don't need these toggles to be turned on. So turn off the toggles that I have done. Next, I use most of the times black wallpaper so that it consumes less battery. These methods actually help me to get the best battery out of my iPhone 17. So in the conclusion, if you are planning to upgrade to the latest version, you can do so because iPhone 17 runs very good on iOS 26.1. This is one of the best updates that Apple has ever pushed. Now let me know in the comment section below if you have already updated to the latest version of iOS 26.1 or not, and if you have already updated, are you getting the same kind of battery life that I am getting from my iPhone 17? Let me know in the comment sections below. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.